OKCutie nails. I am so excited. Bond breaking serum. And these ones. We're so excited to be working with you. We hope you enjoy our products and can't wait to see them in action. This bond breaking serum is a game changer because when I have glue on my nails, I like to kind of break them off if I'm ready to get rid of them, and this will definitely prevent the damage from just ripping those nails off. So I'm excited. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to try first, but I will have to make a video for that.